Fire protection standards and codes. To ensure that fire protection systems are designed, installed, tested, and maintained effectively, we follow recognized standards and codes. These standards provide the technical requirements necessary to achieve a safe and reliable fire protection system. The first and most important reference in India is the National Building Construction Standards, or NBCS, which establishes overall fire and life safety requirements for buildings based on their occupancy and risk classification. Next are the Indian standards, issued by the Bureau of Indian Standards, or BIS. These IS standards provide detailed technical guidelines for fire protection equipment, system design, installation practices, testing procedures, and maintenance requirements. In addition to Indian codes, many projects also adopt standards from the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA. NFPA standards are internationally recognized and provide comprehensive guidance on systems such as sprinklers, fire pumps, fire alarms, and special hazard protection. For example, NFPA 13 is widely used for the design and installation of automatic sprinkler systems. Another important reference is Factory Mutual Global, commonly known as FM Global. FM standards focus on property loss prevention and are often required by industrial facilities, data centers, warehouses, and projects insured by FM Global. These standards are known for their rigorous approach to risk management and system reliability. Together, NBCS, BIS standards, NFPA standards, and FM Global guidelines form the foundation for modern fire protection engineering, helping ensure compliance, safety, and effective fire risk mitigation.